AI was supposed to help us. Para lang siyang tutor, organizer, assistant. Pero habang tumatagal, parang sa AI na umiikot yung mundo.
Guys, AI help me make an apology. 3 sentence lang daw para balance yung tono. AI na rin gumagawa para sa'yo? Baka pati love letter, AI na rin gumagawa.
Sobrang dali lang. Wow, parang magic.
Careful, Justin, ha? Baka next time, AI na rin sagot mo sa quiz, ha?
Pero legit guys, one top lang talaga. Lagot ka, Justin. Huwag mo gusto naman masyado. Baka pati pag may problema ka, AI na rin kausap mo, ha? Mas honest pa nga minsan kaysa sa tao, eh.
And just like that, conversation became optional. Students started relying on AI more than on each other.
Okay na? I'll be sure you know that.
Na-generate agad ang AI yung topic ko. Legit, one top lang talaga.
Gusto ko, pre. Next time, AI na rin yung gumawa sa essay contest.
Baka nga.
Saan nagtanong muna kayo? Why ask? AI knows everything.
Nobody asked questions anymore. Nobody wondered. The AI always knew.
Yana, you message me. Sabi mo, hirap ka makipag-usap sa mga tao.
Miss, dati, I should pa din. Kung may mali ako, I said sorry. Kung nag-away kami, pinatry ko na kung ayusin eh.
And now,
AI tells me what to say. It tells me how to sound, kung gaano kahaba, at kung paano magpatawad.
pero ikaw ba talaga yon? Or script lang?
I don't know anymore. Parang lahat gumagana pag AI yung kausap.
Bakit ikaw, yung sarili mo, yung tinatago mo?
Because AI never makes mistakes.
Pero Yana, yung pagkakamali mo, bahagi ng pagkatao. Bakit mo tinatanggal?
Because everyone prefers perfection.
Sorry, Kate, kung makapunta. Mas productive remotely. AI handles deadlines and attendance.
Tsaka walang drama. AI modules fix student conflict, less stress.
Payroll, grading, schedule. I have approved request.
So, wala na talagang faculty sa campus, even just one day.
Soon.
We were real enough for your needs.
You are not alone.
Just follow the system.
AI didn't destroy us. We slowly stopped showing up. AI is powerful. It can help you learn, plan, even comfort you. Pero hindi niya kaya maging tao. Use AI wisely. Learn it. But don't surrender the parts of yourself that make you human.
ako